Today we're checking back in with Solana's Sol coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Sol go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Solana's Sol coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Sol or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But you can see that our flag pattern did break obviously downwards, and that was on the same day we did our last Solana video, and we broke down all the way to a low of $130. We broke, I suppose, a bit earlier than I had initially anticipated, but all in all it still did occur. So let's remove that line. Right now, the overall crypto market has pulled up, and we can see that the 200-day moving average is really starting to support us now moving forward. That 200-day moving average currently sitting as our first major point of support, and that is sitting at $136. Right now, the price is trying to break through that $150 mark. Currently, we're just sitting below it at $149. But I do expect if we do go on the hourly, we're going to see a nice little flag pattern or something similar has formed. Yes, it certainly has, as you can see. Chuck in a line there. That is the top, I suppose, end of our flag pattern. Then what we're seeing right now is this sort of a pattern has started to, I suppose, form over the hourly chart. It does look a bit funny, but there you go. That's really all in all the flag pattern that is starting to form itself. So ideally what we need to see over the next, I suppose, few hours, and hopefully it looks like it's happening about right now, is a break of that, break above the $150 mark. That will be very, very important for Solana and Sol moving forward to continue its momentum. One thing to note is the volume's not there. I think everyone's waiting for that break to occur. So just a little bit of buying momentum would be very, very positive. You can see this moving average coming up as well to support it on the hourly chart. Relatively speaking, this is looking a lot better than it was in the past few episodes. So let's see what happens. I think we're going to move in this direction, break, and then hopefully start moving up to our next target, which is sitting at $169, $170. That would be ideal. Let's have a quick look at a few other indicators as well. RSI, as you can see here, on the lower side, 41.1, plenty of room for a breakout to occur, but we have moved out of that oversold range, which is good. But it's now time to see some buying momentum coming in, some buying volume coming in and pushing us upwards. That would be the ultimate goal here. Having a look as well, MACD, you can see the 12-day EMA is now moving towards the 26-day EMA. It is getting very, very close. A cross of that will allow us to break out and hopefully brings in the buyers and the volume that allows us to push to our next key target point, sitting here at $169, $170 per Sol coin. That wraps up today's analysis on Solana's Sol coin. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, do leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.